Headquartered in Arlington, Texas, Petmate is the nation's largest supplier of non-food pet products. A stalwart in the pet industry, company founder Ben Doskasil first invented the pet kennel over 40 years ago. In the decades since, Petmate has evolved into the nation's leading manufacturer of plastic pet carriers and other innovative products, all designed to enhance the overall pet ownership experience.
Petmate has been in business for over 40 years, and our mission really is to provide responsible pet parents with products that help them do their jobs easier. We provide a wide variety of products, including kennels and pet shelters, a variety of cat products, including litter management products, feeding and watering products, and pet bedding. And every one of those products we want to make sure is designed to make the experience of being a pet parent more enjoyable.
We've been making kennels for well over 40 years, and we have a lot of experience through our design and our engineering staff. We have about 100 years combined experience. We take into consideration, first of all, the voice of the customer in terms of features and benefits, and then we look at the safety features for both the pet and the pet parent. And then finally, we put a very specific focus on quality. And quality assurance is really about having processes in place during the manufacturing process, like inspection, both pre-manufacturing and post-manufacturing. And then we have a quality control program, which are really things that validate through testing the quality, so that when we're making a product that we can validate that we're making a good quality product to deliver to the market.
There we go. Up. Good boy.
Because they are considered members of the family, more and more pets are hitting the road with their parents. And whether it's by air or car, this experience can be a traumatic one, especially when neither the pet nor parent is properly prepared for the trip.
As a veterinarian, clients come to me and ask for tranquilizers for travel, either car or plane, as a knee-jerk response. They just think, oh, we travel, get tranquilizers. And it's really the wrong approach. What they should do instead is gradually introduce a portable kennel so that that kennel becomes the pet's favorite place to be. If the dog or cat is in their favorite place, they just watch the world go by. It's happy travel. One of the key things is when you're going to provide a kennel for your pet, do a quality job. Get one that's made for this purpose and that's going to hold together under any circumstances.
And a pet carrier is perfect because it means that your pet is not going to get hurt if you make a short stop or, God forbid, you get into an accident. Or, of course, your pet is not then going to be able to move around in the car and potentially distract the driver. And also, if you teach your pet to enjoy spending time in the kennel, it means it's kind of like you're taking a little bit of home with you when you travel, which means they're more likely to enjoy it. A kennel is really an indispensable tool for house training, most importantly, but it also helps to prevent and solve an almost endless list of behavior problems, including destructive chewing, excessive barking, separation issues. And so if you kennel train your pet, it means they're less likely to suffer from any of those types of behavior issues. And unfortunately, behavior issues are the #1 reason why pets are given up to shelters.
Petmate, the nation's leading manufacturer of pet carriers, offers hundreds of portable kennels in all sizes. Catering to responsible pet parents, Petmate understands the importance of focusing on proper kennel training and safer pet travel.
At Petmate, we really think it's important to test the products and make sure that they function and they operate properly every time that they're used. Our products are very robust in their design and they're very well made. We use metal doors in the front that when they're closed, they stay closed, which is very important from a safety feature for the pet. The walls themselves are made with real strong plastic. They're not going to crack and they're not going to break in use. They're very well ventilated. We have ventilations on the sides as well as the back and the front, so it keeps the pet comfortable and safe during transportation. We have a Kennel Up kit that's available to the retailers that allows them to give the information to the pet parents or the consumers when they're coming into the stores. If a pet parent does a good job of training their pet, the pet is going to be a better pet and there's going to be a better relationship between the pet and the pet parent. So kennel training and training in general is a very important attribute.
Well, you know, a lot of the clients that I see who call me because their dogs have behavior issues find that once they've kennel trained their pet, that they have a pet who's much calmer overall because that pet has learned impulse control, which means it's learned to stay calm and relaxed in the kennel, and that really does then translate to the dog's life outside of the kennel as well.
A well-behaved pet can bring you years of joy, and pet parents can continue to rely on Petmate every step of the way, no matter where their travels take them. Petmate, making pets feel at home.
We introduce 200 or so products every year, and we've expanded our product line. We're not just kennels today. We have a variety of feeding and watering products. We have a variety of litter management products for cat pet parents. We're also one of the leaders in pet bedding, and we have a wide variety of fashions and styles and designs in pet bedding as well. We are very gratified with the feedback we get. We get a lot of cards and letters and emails and things like that of people saying that they use our products, they love our products, they're always giving us ideas and feedback, and we listen to them too. We think it's really important to continuously improve our products. We want to listen to the pet parents and consumers as they use products, because that's a good way for us to improve our products. So that's one of the things that we really enjoy. When consumers want to know what products to buy when they have a pet, they often go to their vet first and they ask questions. What do I need? So our relationship with the veterinarian trade is very, very important. So we really nurture that over time. And we want to make sure that veterinarians are well informed about on our products, and we want to hear from them too, what's important to them. So it's a very good mutual relationship. We learn from each other.
The most important thing when you're choosing a carrier for air travel is that you choose one that's airline approved. For example, the Petmate plastic carriers. So you wouldn't use one like this, which is a wire carrier. This would be more appropriate for your home or car travel. And you want to make sure, again, that your pet is very, very comfortable in the carrier by teaching them to do so by feeding them in there and giving them toys so that when they are traveling, they're comfortable and calm.
We're always on the move and we're always doing new things. We're currently working on a variety of new products that we plan to launch over the next year, and in some cases a couple of years. We're working on some things that are really high-tech in nature, but we're going to be getting deeper and deeper into pet supplies. We're one of the largest suppliers as it is today, and we plan to stay that way, and we want to continue to grow. The pet industry is growing, and we're growing at a faster clip than the pet industry, so we're doing something right. We're really excited about that.
There's a family environment here. People that you work with are committed to their jobs. They all have pets, so they have a pretty clear understanding of what our consumer is looking for in the marketplace. Not only just a new product, but something that really pulls the emotion in and the relationship that people have with their pets. And we develop products to help meet those needs. This market is a growing market. It's an exciting market. Pets are becoming more and more part of the family life. And so there's a lot of opportunity, and in the marketing area, there's a lot of opportunity for product development, which is what we do.
When you think about Petmate, the one thing that really comes to mind is responsible pet parenting. And the products that we design are designed in an expert way for those pet parents to really improve the relationship between the pet and the pet parent.